Oh, righty, guys. Real quick, let's talk. Y'all can see this coolant residual all down there. Well, I just got through replacing the water pump. Here it is right here. Now, the one of the oil change guys did this, wrote this up. Okay, now y'all see I'm what a radiator water pump was leaking at, right? So I'm getting ready. I already got the old water pump off. See all this stuff right here? Let me tell you something, new guys. Whatsoever you do. Now I'm getting ready to put the new water pump on, but I gotta find a way to get rid of that look, guys. If you leave that look there, guess what's gonna happen? Everybody that come in contact with this car gonna swear the water pump leaking. Now I got brake cleaner, but brake cleaner ain't doing nothing, guys. I have got to de-orangelize. That's the coolant. That's the look of coolant. I've got to get that out of there. Okay, so I don't know. I'm gonna blow. Oh, there go a lot of big chunk that's left right there. Yeah, we cannot, I repeat, you cannot leave that there. No traces of where this coolant, where this used to leak. Can't leave no traces, because I promise you, everywhere this lady go to get an oil change, the minute a mechanic sees this, he's going to swear up and down, ma'am, your water pump. And guess what's going to happen? She going to say, she going to scream Bloody Mary and cry out that, I just had it done. JT's automotive. And guess what they're gonna say? Well, JT scammed you, because look, let me show you. And the mechanic's gonna show her, and guess what? Yes, it's gonna appear that it's still leaking. So I am not about to ruin my image over this foolishness. Okay, we're gonna try our best to clean this up. No sorry, Bob. Well, my image at stake here. Yeah, I take pride in my image, guys. Word on the street will not be JT scammed somebody. He said he did a water pump. He didn't. I'm almost there. All right, let me grab some brake cleaner and see where we at. All right. Yeah, buddy. Woo, look at that, guy. You don't see none of that orange crud. I think it was even on the oil pan. So yeah, I gotta go down there and get that out. Look at that. Now I see one more little. I'll get that off, but I need to get my message across. Try to protect your image, guys. I'm telling you, if you leave that like that, it's gonna be you asking for trouble if you do that. All right. Now if you look right now, you can't tell that water pump used to leak. You know why? Hey, wait a minute. This ain't Mopar. I don't know what the hell this is. All right, we must be out of Mopar brake cleaner. But I'll tell you what. Here's the deal. If this was a Mopar brake cleaner, one shot, I could have did this. And all of it would have left. All right, I don't know what this crap. This might be Derman. Is this Derman? Yeah, I don't know what kind of brake cleaner it is. Guys, I got to go. Protect your image at all costs. Thanks for watching.